Hello students, welcome to Sath classes, and in today's video we are going to study what are rational numbers. So it is our first video on rational numbers, so we will start with the basic introduction. Okay, so before starting rational numbers, so just revise which we have कुछ हमने चीज़ें which we have studied in previous classes about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? We have studied natural numbers in the previous classes. Let me write it down. Natural numbers. Okay, we have studied about natural numbers in our previous classes. So if I say what are natural numbers, so we know the natural numbers are those numbers which start from 1 2 3, or the positive numbers starting from 1 and they goes on. Okay, so these are the natural numbers. Okay, if I say what are the, we have studied another set of numbers which are called whole numbers, okay. So whole numbers are basically those numbers are the set of natural numbers plus 0, यानी 0 भी है और आपका natural. So 0 start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Okay, so this part is the natural number and this total is called the whole numbers. Okay, another number which we have studied are the integers. What are integers? Integers which we have studied, integers are those numbers, whole numbers plus negative numbers. भाई whole numbers तो हैं, for example like integers में whole numbers तो आते ही आते हैं. Okay, plus the negative numbers, 1 -2 -3. So these all are the set of integers. So we have studied this in our previous classes, natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Okay, so let us start what are rational numbers now. So let's say what are rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers are basically those numbers which can be expressed in the form of p and q, यानी p upon q की form में we represent rational numbers. Okay, where p भी क्या एक integer होता है, p is an integer and we know the property of an integer. P is an integer and q is also an integer. Integer which we have studied are negative numbers and whole numbers. Okay, so p and q यहाँ पे integers होते हैं and one more property is that q is not equal to 0. This is very important students, and q is not equal to, जहाँ पर q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होगा, because 0 is also an integer, लेकिन in this form q is not be equal to 0. So this is the basic prerequisite of being a rational number. Okay, so if I write some examples, let me write some examples of rational numbers. Okay, if I write example 2 upon 3, if I say it is a rational number, yes it is a rational number because 2 is an integer, 2 एक integer है और 3 भी एक integer है. So this is a 2 upon 3 is a rational numbers. Okay, if I write another example -2 upon 3, -2 क्या है, एक integer है, -2 is an integer we know and 3 is also an integer. So this whole thing is a rational number. Okay, if I write another example, let me write another example. If I write 0 upon 3, क्या ये एक rational number है? Is this a rational number? So you will see, you will validate these two things. आप ये दो चीज़ों को validate करेंगे. So you will say yes, 0 is a integer. 0 is an integer, 0 एक integer है and 3 is also an integer. 3 भी एक integer है. So ये property validate हो रही है. So that's why it is also a rational number. Okay. Now the next example, if I say 4 upon 0, is this a rational number? आप कहेंगे सर 4 is an integer, 4 भी एक integer है और 0 भी एक इंटीजर है. तो पहली प्रॉपर्टी तो हमारी फुलफिल हो रही है, द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी p अपॉन q की फॉर्म वाली, इट इज़ फुलफिलिंग. बट द सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इट इज़ नॉट फुलफिलिंग. दिस मीन्स दैट डिनोमिनेटर शैल नॉट बी 0. डिनोमिनेटर कभी 0 नहीं होगा. सो दिस नंबर इज़ नॉट ए रेशनल नंबर. हमने पहले डिफाइन कर दिया था कि डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होगा और q इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 0. तो अंडरस्टूड. So this is the basic definition or basic understanding of rational numbers.